Welcome to Travel Discovery. I'm Lisa and I'll be your host. Today we're in the Philippines discovering the SRRV Visa, the Special Retirement Visa. Have you ever considered making the Philippines your permanent residence or second home? The Philippines has some of the most stunning destinations for exploration, from sunny beaches to cool mountains and everything in between. The SRRV Visa could make it happen for you. Well, what does the SRRV Visa stand for? It stands for Special Resident Retirees Visa. So in this video, we're going to answer what is the SRRV Visa, what are the requirements, what costs are involved, what are the benefits, how can I get assistance? The SRRV Visa is a special non-immigrant visa for foreign nationals, for foreigners who would like to make the Philippines their second home or investment destination. Please know you can live permanently in the Philippines with no visa runs, and there's no expiration. The holder of the SRRV Visa may live without visa extensions. The PRA is the Philippine Retirement Authority. They are the ones that handle the processing of the SRRV Visa. You can choose to process the visa yourself with the help of the PRA, but if you want further assistance and all your questions answered directly, use an agent. Mary Rose is an agent that is paid by the PRA and she can help you. Her email is in the description. She does not charge you extra. She's already being paid by the PRA. She does have good reviews. I'm not getting paid by her and I do not have any affiliation with her. Also, Steve from the Philippine Info channel will help you answer any questions. He's been through the process of getting that SRRV Visa. His email's in the description. Please know you have to be 50 and above to be able to apply for this lifetime visa. You will be exempt from the Bureau of Immigration requirements. You are also eligible to work, study, or invest in the Philippines. PRA or your agent can assist in securing some government documents like your driver's license, NBI, and your AEP, among other things. This is not a marriage visa. You do not need to be married to a Filipino. You can be a single female or single male applying for this special retirement visa. So that's important to note. Benefits: indefinite stay with multiple entry and exit privileges. That is absolutely amazing. Also, you're exempt from Philippine Bureau of Immigration ACR card and also custom duties and taxes for a one-time importation of household goods and personal effects worth up to $7,000 tax from pensions and annuities. You are also exempt from the travel tax. If you have not stayed in the Philippines for more than a year from your last date of entry, then you don't need to apply for a student visa or permit. So you can actually go to school in the Philippines. Additional benefits: access to the Greet and Assist program, free subscription to the PRA newsletter, discount privileges, free assistance with other government agencies, and entitlement to PhilHealth benefits and privileges. Here is the application. It's a 3-page application. Again, you can do it yourself or get assistance from the agent like Mary Rose. You can pause the video here as we look at the list of requirements. The first type of visa we'll discuss is the military SRRV visa. This is for people who have 2 years in active duty. You need an apostilled honorable DD 214 and pension certification. You have to be receiving your pension of $1,000 a month. No criminal record check if you're under 70. Required deposit of $1,500. Application fee $1,400. Medical clearance with laboratory testing. Complete application. Notice of client registration. Regular tourist entry stamp and photos 2 inches by 2 inches. You need 10 pieces. This is for those that have that military, American military background. We are going to look at the other types of visas for the SRRV visa if you don't have a military background. The classic SRRV visa is for non-military with a pension. So it's everything on that list that we just discussed. Just take out the DD 214. Required deposit of $10,000, application fee $1,400, and a yearly fee of $360. That's for the classic SRRV Visa non-military with pension. Please note, the SRRV deposit is not a payment or fee to the government. It's an exchange for the visa that you can reclaim after canceling the visa if you choose to cancel. If you don't have a pension, you can also apply for a classic SRRV visa, same requirements minus that DD-214 and a pension certificate. Your required deposit, though, will be $20,000 for this. That's if you do not have a pension or you cannot prove that you're getting a pension of any kind. Again, if you'd like to use an agent to help you through this process or understanding everything, you can use Mary Rose. Her email is in the description. You can use your deposit towards a purchase of a condo that's worth at least $50,000, so you can use your deposit for that. Also, please note the SRRV visa has to be completed in the Philippines, but you can gather your documents ahead of time. You have to enter the Philippines on a tourist visa. You do have an SRRV ID card that needs to be renewed once a year. You can be in or out of the Philippines to do that. So please check the description for other helpful resources, Mary Rose's email, Steve from the Philippine Info Channel's email. Please like and subscribe. Happy travels to everyone. So again, if you're thinking of making the Philippines your permanent home or second home, go ahead and apply for the SRRV visa. It's a wonderful benefit that this great island country of the Philippines offers. See you next time on Travel Discovery to see what we will discover next.